If you've ever walked through Paris, you've probably noticed something interesting. Even the apartments that aren't enormous or newly renovated seem to have a quiet confidence about them. They don't feel decorated in the way we're used to seeing on social media. They feel lived in, collected over time, and somehow more beautiful because they aren't trying so hard. That's where most people get Parisian design completely wrong. They assume it's about ornate moldings, marble fireplaces, or living inside a century-old building with herringbone floors. Those architectural details certainly help, but they're not what makes a Parisian apartment feel special. The real magic comes from a handful of design habits that have nothing to do with expensive renovations. The best part is that every one of these ideas works just as well in a rental apartment. Whether you're living in a brand new high rise or an older walk up, these are the same principles that make Parisian homes feel warm, timeless, and effortlessly elegant. 1. Stop decorating, start collecting. One thing you'll rarely see in a Parisian apartment is an entire room that looks like it came from one furniture store. The sofa doesn't perfectly match the coffee table doesn't perfectly match the media console, and somehow the room feels far more sophisticated because of it. Parisian interiors evolve slowly. Someone might inherit a vintage mirror from a family member, find an old chair at a flea market, buy a contemporary lamp years later, then discover the perfect coffee table on vacation. Each piece earns its place over time, and together they create a room that feels personal instead of manufactured. That doesn't mean your apartment should look random. The colors, materials, and proportions should still relate to one another. The difference is that your apartment should feel like it reflects your life instead of someone else's catalog. When every piece has a little individuality, the room immediately feels more authentic. 2. Let the architecture be the star, even if you don't have any. Most rentals don't come with crown molding or dramatic fireplaces, but that doesn't mean you can't borrow the Parisian mindset. Instead of filling every wall with shelves, oversized televisions, or busy decor, give your apartment room to breathe. Let a beautiful window become the focal point. Highlight a large piece of artwork instead of surrounding it with 20 smaller ones. If you have high ceilings, draw attention upward with full-length curtains hung close to the ceiling rather than directly above the window. Parisian interiors understand something that many modern apartments forget. Every room needs one thing your eye naturally lands on. Once you establish that focal point, everything else becomes supporting cast instead of competing for attention. 3. Choose materials that get better with age. Walk into enough Parisian apartments and you'll start noticing the same materials appearing again and again. Linen curtains that wrinkle naturally, solid wood furniture with visible grain, marble that develops character over time, woven baskets, handmade ceramics, aged brass, leather, and natural stone. None of those materials are perfect, and that's exactly why they work. Modern decorating often chases perfection, perfectly glossy finishes, perfectly smooth surfaces, perfectly identical accessories. Parisian interiors take the opposite approach. They embrace materials that soften, patina, wrinkle, and become even more beautiful after years of everyday life. If you're choosing between something that looks factory perfect and something with a little natural texture, the textured option almost always feels warmer. That's one of the easiest ways to make an apartment feel expensive without actually spending more money. 4. Style less than you think you should. Parisian apartment and the average apartment makeover you see online. Most people decorate every available surface, every shelf gets filled, every table gets accessories, every corner gets another basket, another candle, another plant, or another decorative object. Parisian apartments rarely do that. Instead, they let individual pieces have space around them. A coffee table might hold nothing more than one beautiful tray, a candle, and a single book. A console table may have one sculptural lamp, a bowl for keys, and a vase with fresh greenery. That's it. The empty space isn't unfinished, it's intentional. It allows your eye to appreciate what's actually there instead of constantly searching for somewhere to rest. Whenever you're styling a room, remove 1/3 of what you've placed there. You'll probably discover the room immediately feels calmer, more refined, and surprisingly more luxurious. 5. Make lighting feel like sunset. One of the reasons Parisian apartments photograph so beautifully has very little to do with the furniture. It's the lighting. You almost never see a single ceiling light flooding the room with bright white light. Instead, the room glows from multiple smaller sources. A table lamp beside the sofa, a floor lamp in the reading corner, a small lamp on a console, maybe even candles flickering during dinner. The lighting creates atmosphere instead of simply making the room brighter. This is one of the easiest upgrades you can make in a rental. Aim for warm bulbs around 2700 Kelvin, add 2 or 3 lamps in every main living space, and turn off the overhead light whenever you can. Suddenly, the room feels softer, more intimate, and infinitely more inviting. 6. Nothing feels too precious. One thing I love about Parisian interiors is that they never feel like you're afraid to touch anything. Books are actually open, chairs are actually sat in, linen throws are casually draped instead of folded into perfect rectangles. Flowers lean naturally instead of looking professionally arranged. Even expensive apartments feel comfortable enough that someone could kick off their shoes, pour a cup of coffee, and stay for hours. That's a mindset that's easy to overlook. Luxury doesn't always come from buying nicer things. Sometimes it comes from creating a home that's relaxed enough to actually enjoy. Ironically, the harder you try to make your apartment look perfect, the less welcoming it often becomes. 7. Give your apartment a story. If I had to choose one thing that separates a truly Parisian apartment from every trendy apartment online, this would be it. The apartment tells you something about the person who lives there. Maybe it's artwork collected during travels. Maybe it's a stack of well-loved books. Maybe it's a vintage chair that clearly wasn't purchased because it matched everything else. Maybe it's family photographs displayed in beautiful frames instead of hidden inside a phone. The apartment feels personal. That's why Parisian interiors age so well. They aren't chasing this year's design trend because they were never built around trends in the first place. They're built around the people living inside them. When every object has a reason for being there, your apartment naturally becomes more interesting. Guests may not be able to explain why the room feels different, but they'll feel it almost immediately. The truth is, Parisian apartments aren't trying to impress anyone. They aren't filled with expensive statement pieces competing for attention. They aren't overloaded with trendy decor that's going to feel dated in 2 years. Instead, they rely on restraint, beautiful materials, thoughtful lighting, and furniture that feels collected rather than purchased all at once. If you start collecting instead of matching, embrace natural materials, simplify your styling, layer your lighting, and make your apartment tell your story instead of following someone else's, you'll end up with something much more valuable than a room that looks trendy. You'll have a home that feels effortlessly Parisian, no matter what city you actually live in. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Lvely Living for more renter-friendly luxury design ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.